Hey friends, if you wish to fix CLASSPNP.SYS Blue Screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to simply disconnect peripherals, especially those like printers, scanners and cameras. I'll tell you the reason for it. Because these peripherals push their own drivers to the system, which causes a conflict with the existing drivers, and that causes blue screen of death errors. Next one is to update all the drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, select optional updates and install all the optional updates. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. And the last one is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.